So this just arrived. This is the new Mac M4 Mini. We got 24 gigabytes of RAM on this bad boy. We got 1 terabyte of hard disk space, and we got the 10 gigabit Ethernet port. So it's very, very exciting that to get this. Going to be a big upgrade for the channel. Just want to do a quick kind of unboxing, show you what you get in the box. I did open this before, so that's why you don't want to get all the fun stuff on it. But there you go. You can see it's quite a small profile. You got the 2 ports in the front, 2 USB-C ports in the front. You got your headphone jack right there. Then on the other side, let's see here, we got the power cable connection. We got the Ethernet port, standard HDMI port, and 3 Thunderbolt ports there on the back. So that's pretty much it. You got the power button on the underneath, very conveniently. So we'll set that down here and take a look at what you get in the box. In the box, not much in the box, just the power cable there. And you get this little like informational pamphlet here, designed by Apple in California. You can see that. And then pull this out. There's Mac Mini, and it shows you, welcome to your Mac Mini. There you go. Shows you all the cool features it has. Not too much there, just some basic information that comes with it. So that, my friends, is the new Mac Mini that will be powering the Thomas Cray Studios here. So I'm going to be setting this bad boy up, getting it ready to go, and it's hopefully going to be making the live streams and content here a lot better. So off to set up. Like and subscribe. Thanks so much for watching.